So now we starting the second part of the second lesson, or Mufradat Jadida, new vocabulary, Asafir birds, Jawzul Hind coconut, Fara means branch, Shajara tree, tree branch, Quma wheat or Qama, Ibra needle, Minqara beak, Qita piece, Khubaz bread piece, Jo means weather, Har hot, wet hot weather. Dakhila enter, Al-Talamiz students, Al-Fasal the class, the student entered in the class. Yarbat he is tying, Al-Habal the rope, he is tying the rope. Ya'alluq he is hanging, Al-Malabis the cloth, he is hanging the clothes. Adkhul means I enter, Yadhu fill case, he entered his case, his hand. Yadhu means, Yad means hand, Yadhu his hands, fill case in the bag. Imtala filled, Al-Kob bilma, fill the cup with the, or fill the cup or glass with water. Yatah harak, it is moving or he is moving. Al-Qitar, the train is moving. Yadkhulu al-walad, the boy entered. Baad after, Al-Muallim, the teacher. The boy enter or entering after the teacher. Akala ate, Al-Walad, Akala al-Walad, the boy ate. Washaba means filled, the boy ate and filled. Shaba generally we says to fill the appetite or to fill the stomach. Fikra thought or idea, in the fikra with you or your thought. Ma raiku nazhabu ilil ma'alab al-yawm, what we will like or think, what you will like or think to go to the playground today. What do you think? We go to the program, to the this playground today. Okay, what do you like or think? What do you think or what do you like? We go to the playground today. Ma raiku, what do you think or what do you like? So what do you think or what do you like to go? We go to the playground today. Jayyad, very much. Hal tuhibbu hadha al-kitab, do you like this book? Naam, huwa tuhibbu jayyad, yes, he likes very, he kitabu jayyad. Kitab here, kitaba, this is the writing. So do you like this book or do you like this writing? Naam, yes, huwa kitabu jayyad, he writes. Kitabun jayyad means he writes very much or very good. This is the page number 12. Istiyab means intake, or some draw, daira circle, hole around, jawab answer, al-sahi correct. Draw a circle around the correct answer. Al-jaw barid fil zalik yawm, ko the way cold weather is that day, okay, or cold weather that day, was that day, okay. Weather was cold that day. Understand? We can write if you will write, because I wrote according to the words. To jaw means weather, barid means cold, fi in, zalik that, yom day. Weather was cold that day, in that day. Okay. Rabata Walid qita min al jawz al hind fil farai shajra. Walid tied the piece of coconut in the tree branch. Jawz al hind, coconut, fi in, faral shajra, tree branch. Qita, piece, rabata, tied. This is the third form. Okay. Rabata, rabata. All are the fatha is there, so it means past tense. Malat, bisma, mala, malat, bisma, al-kis, bizarra. Zarra means corn. Okay. Bisma filled the bag with the corn. It is yes or no, just right. Jad, bibgha, wakalat, mal asafir. Jad means reached. Parrot reached or parrot came. Wakalat, and eat with asafir. If it is, just write yes or no. Sharbat al asafir min al ma'al haus. Birds drank water from the tub. Okay. Sharbat means drink. Min ma'al haus, with the tub, water tub. Istiyab means understand. Hal fahmat al hawar. Do you understand this dialogue? The dialogue. Al asafir saidatu fil zalik yom. The birds were happy in that day. Saida means happy. Zalik yom, that day. Hiya akalat, they ate, and tashrab, and drank, al ma badil akal, drank the water after the food. Akmal min al hawar, complete. Akmal means complete. Min means from. Al hawar, the dialogue. Complete from the dialogue. Haza al hawar bayinul wa walid wa bisma yatakallum about. This dialogue is between the mom and Walid and Bisma. They talk about yatakallum, and they talk about what? Al-alwanu asafir wa aswatuha, colors of the birds or birds color and their voices. Aswatuha, their voices. Al-unwan, the colors. Tami al-asafir wa sharbaha, birds food and their drink. Sharbaha, their drink. So whatever is proper, you put the alama, za alama. Okay. This is the za alama. Put the sign. Right or wrong. Arafna min al haza al kalma, we know, or I know, or I learned from this speech or this talk. Kaif nadbakhu al asafir wa nakulha. How to cook, how we cook the birds and how we eat them. Kaif nadbakh, how we cook or how we prepare. Okay. Al asafir, the birds, and nakulha, we eat them. Kaif taakul al asafir wa tashrab, how the birds eat and drink. How the birds eat and they drink. Kaif naza al asafir fil qafas, how we keep the birds in the cage. Kaif taskun al asafir fil ush. Ush means nest. Taskun means they live. Sakan means live. Okay. How the birds live in their nest. So just put the alama, what is wrong and which is right. Okay. Ashtartak alum ma abnaha wa abnataha fi amalil hafal lil asafir. Ashtarak means participated. Mother with his son and with her daughter, with her son and with her daughter. Fi amal or hafal al safir, in the this for birds program or bird ceremony for the this program in the program amala program for the birds. Okay. Mother participated in the program work for the birds with her son and her daughter. فهل تابع العصافير في عمل الحفل? Was it tired for the family to work in the ceremony? Okay, tabe means tired. Fahal means was or does. Naam or la. في الحوار تحت الصورة رقم 5 كلمة معناها فم العصافير. فم العصافير means mouth of the birds. أفل أصفور mouth of the bird. In the dialogue under the picture number 5 meaning the word. Iskar haza kalma, describe this word. Min qaraha al-asafir, what? Saghira. Okay? Al-asfur saghira. Min qar al-asfur saghira. The bird's beak is small. Irsam surata, draw their picture. Just like a entertainment, you can draw the birds. So, tarakib jadida, new ideas or new compositions. Asal wa ajab, question and answer. Asal means question, ajab answers, questions and answers. This is the plural form, this is the plural form of jawab, and this is the plural form of sawal or question. Hal irbad al habal fil shajra. Okay. Do I tie the rope? Do I tie the rope with the tree? La. Irbad fil sar. No, tie with the fence. This alif is using because of I. Hal amla al kob bil asafir. Do I fill the glass with the juice? Bil asir means juice. Kob means glass or cup. Imla means fill. La. Imlay al kob bil ma. No. Fill the cup with the water or fill the glass with the water. Hal irkab haza al hamar. Do I ride this donkey? La. Tarkab haza al hasan. See here, because he is talking with the girl, so that's why we used the ta. Okay, tarkab haza al hasan. No, ride this horse. Hal akhaz al kutaba ilal fasal. Do I take these books to the class or to the classroom? La. Akhzat al kutub ilal maktaba. No, take these books to the library. Hal arsam al sura bil hibar. Okay. Do I draw this picture with the color? Tarsam al sura bil unwan. La. Color the picture with the colors. So hal ursam al sura bil habar. Habar means ink. Okay. Maybe you forget or don't forget. Just do I draw this picture with the do I DRAW draw this picture with the ink. Okay, with the ink. Hibar means ink. La. Tarsam al sura bil unwan. No, you draw the picture with the colors. Tarsam again because of the girl. Otherwise, if it would be boy, so yarsam. Hal alab kurra al qadam. Do I play the football? La. Talabu kurra al yad. No, don't play. No, play the handball. كرة اليد the handball. تراكيب جديدة new techniques or new compositions. أكمل means complete. هيا نذهب إلى الحديقة ونشاهد العصافير. Let's we go to the garden. هيا نذهب let's we go إلى الحديقة ونشاهد and we see the birds. هيا نذهب إلى المكتبة. Come, let's go to the library or let's go to the library. ونقرأ إلى الكتب and we read the books. هيا نذهب إلى الملعب. Let's we go to the playground. ملعب means playground or ground. ونلعب إلى الكرة القدم and we play the football or we play the football. For هيا نذهب في غرفة الطعام. Let's we go to the dining room. غرفة الطعام dining room. ونتناول إلى الغداء and we eat the lunch. غدا means lunch. نتناول we eat. هيا نذهب إلى النهر. Let's we go to the lake or to the river. and نصيد إلى السمكة and we hunt the fish. نصيد means we hunt. هيا نذهب إلى المحطة. Come we go to the station. وننتظر إلى الجدة and we wait for the grandfather. This is the page number 14. So second part of this chapter has finished.